Guys, one thing we've got to look out for, especially if we've got beauties like this in the garden, which are clivias, is the Amaryllis caterpillar. Now, this guy comes along as a butterfly, as a moth, lays its eggs. When the eggs hatch, and they lay their eggs all along the inside here of the leaves, when they hatch, wow, do they go straight for the kill. They start eating away the chlorophyll in the inside of the leaves and then work their way down right into the core of the plant. So, how do we deal with it? Well, if you've got a clivia like this in your garden, this is a beautiful peach clivia, I certainly don't want no caterpillar doing anything to it. All right, guys, so this is typical example of seeing what this damage is. So here we go. You can see it's already eaten on the leaf. Sometimes you can actually see the caterpillars going through the leaf. It's revolting, all right? But that's the time when we've got to catch them. So what do we use? I'm going to recommend a chemical called cypermethrin. Now, the part about this is that we need to know the active ingredient of this is a pyrethroid. A pyrethroid is derived from the chrysanthemum plant. It is one of the safest products that you can use on the market. The other good thing about cypermethrin is that it can also be used on edible crops. That's right, so tomatoes, your cabbages, if they have been chomped by a caterpillar or any other worm, all you simply do is spray it on, and there's a holding period between 2 to 7 days, after which you may pick your fruit and veg quite happily and use it. So instructions are as follows. It's 5 mils into 5 liters of water, or 10 mils into 10 liters. So it really depends on how big your spray is. Read your instructions, get your right sprayer, pop it in here. We give it a good mix, and we are literally going to spray this as soon as we see any activity of the caterpillar. Give it a good spray. Remember that you want it to make contact wherever the caterpillars are. This does have a slight residual action, but personally, if you do see activity, I would really recommend that you spray once a week, so that if any eggs do hatch whilst you're not looking, well, we've got the product on here and they will soon get sent to insect heaven, which is what we all want. So there you go. Protect your clivias and your agapanthus and your amaryllis, and make sure that you're using the right product at the right time.